Welcome to Hluhluwe-iMfolozi Park, South Africa's oldest proclaimed game reserve and a true conservation success story. Located in KwaZulu-Natal, this park is famous for big 5 game viewing, stunning scenery, and a rich conservation legacy. With ExodusSafaris.com, you'll discover the park's highlights with expert guidance and care. 1. Big 5 game drives. Hluhluwe-iMfolozi is one of the few parks where you can see lion, elephant, buffalo, rhino, and leopard in a single day. Twice daily game drives bring you closer to the drama of the African wilderness. 2. Track white rhinos on foot. This reserve is world-renowned for saving the white rhino from extinction. Join guided walking safaris to track these gentle giants in their natural habitat. A humbling, unforgettable experience. 3. Take a scenic river drive. The Black Imfolozi River winds through rugged valleys, drawing elephants, buffalo, and birdlife to its banks. A slow drive here offers incredible photography and peaceful wildlife encounters. 4. Visit Hilltop Camp. Set high in the Hluhluwe Hills, Hilltop Camp offers panoramic views of the reserve. It's the perfect place for sundowners, dining, and spotting wildlife at nearby waterholes. 5. Experience a night drive. After dark, the bush transforms. Night drives reveal hyenas, genets, owls, and even the elusive leopard, offering a thrilling perspective on the park's nocturnal life. 6. Birdwatching for rare species. With more than 400 bird species, Hluhluwe-iMfolozi is a paradise for bird lovers. From crowned eagles to colorful beaters, guided walks and drives make every sighting special. 7. Visit the Centenary Center. Learn about the park's conservation history at the Centenary Center, which showcases the story of rhino protection and the global importance of wildlife preservation. 8. Enjoy a self-drive safari. For travelers who enjoy freedom, Hluhluwe-iMfolozi has excellent self-drive routes. With maps and tips from Exodus Safaris, you can safely explore at your own pace. 9. Bush braai and picnic in the wild. Dine under the African sky with a bush braai or picnic in designated spots. Surrounded by wildlife, it's one of the most authentic safari dining experiences. 10. Combine with iSimangaliso Wetland Park. A short drive away, iSimangaliso Wetland Park adds coastal magic, boat safaris, snorkeling, beaches, and turtle tours. Pairing both parks brings the best of bush and beach. Hluhluwe-iMfolozi Park is more than a safari, it's a journey into Africa's heart, where conservation, culture, and adventure meet. With Exodus Safaris, every detail of your trip is guided with expertise and passion. Ready to explore this legendary reserve? Visit ExodusSafaris.com today and begin your Hluhluwe-iMfolozi adventure.